Hi everybody, in this video I will show you the procedure on how can you buy Roblox. If you wish to buy Roblox, then you need to follow the steps. First thing first, you want to install the application on your device, or if it is completely installed, then you want to make sure to update it. So head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Roblox. When you locate it, so if you see update, then click that out and wait for it to completely update it. So, and once it is updated, click on play and open the Roblox application. As it's logged in, all you need to do is click on the Roblox icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen, the icon that's right in between. This is your Roblox. Now here you could see your Roblox balance, as well as you could go ahead and see the package available as well. So what you need to do is, in order to buy a particular amount of Robux, you need to pay certain amount. As you can see right in the left hand side corner, there's the amount that you have to pay, and in the right hand side there is the Robux amount. Now for example, if I want to go with 22,500 Robux, then I need to click on it just like that. It will direct me to the next field where I need to go ahead and enter in my payment details. So as you could see, if you're sure about it, then you have to go and click on add credit or debit card, enter in the credit card information, and within no time you'll have successfully bought Robux. So this is how you could do it. So, and to check the balance, you want to do the same thing, that is come to the home page and click on Roblox icon. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.